What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to use the portfolio system on Pirate Port. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Go ahead and search up portfolio. Open up the link. And when you click this button, if you haven't been to iWeb, it's going to make you create an account real quick. Just use your school email and all that, and you'll get this screen once you're done. Go over to portfolios. You're going to create one. Go over to English, University Portfolio, select. You'll get your name, leave all that default, just hit next and save. And once you're done with that screen, yours will look like this. You go over to English 2201, go down here to the bottom, little edit mode button, click this, go to files. You'll have no files, so you'll click this little green plus button here, click add files. Find your files, so your letter, ethical issue, whatever you're uploading for your major project revision, name it, upload it, and then once it's uploaded, you just grab the file, drag it over, and drop it underneath the category that it belongs to. Same thing for all of them, so you just upload all of them, drop it over to whatever category it goes to. Once you're done with that, you're going to click save right down here at the bottom, and then you'll hit the little view mode, the icon to go back to this screen. You'll click the key button. Go over to institution reviewers, type in Shoop. You'll hover over her name, you'll see this little key show up. Give permission to make sure it works, go up to current. She'll be right there at the bottom. You can click the little magnifying glass again, and then you're all set. And if you hover over this, you can just hit return. You'll leave, and then if you want to make sure that everything's good, you'll click here, and you'll see it's all saved.